All right, guys, Marlon with AAA Service Company. We're over here down on Bayshore Boulevard in St. Pete, Florida, and this is a 4-story house that unfortunately caught fire during the construction of it. We're the demolition contractor that's gonna be taking it down today, and we're busting out an old school method, wrecking ball style. Hasn't been done locally in a very long time, but this application calls for it, and we're gonna bring it in. So this house is extremely unique. If you look up, there's a lot of huge walls that basically are supported by very little pieces of steel that got super hot during the fire. So with that, we are extremely nervous on taking this house down in a conventional method. Therefore, we're bringing in the big wrecking ball, 10,000 pounds with a 200-ton crane, and we're gonna be strategically placing this wrecking ball to take these walls down, so then this way, this wall or that wall doesn't end up in the neighbor's house. All right, guys, so right now we got most of the house, the 4th and the 3rd story down. There's a little bit far in the back that we can't reach. We're gonna reposition the crane. We're gonna get this last big wall in the back. From there, after the crane's repositioned, I'd say we got about another hour's worth of work with the crane. We'll be done. Crane will get out of here, and then we'll pick up with our Cat 335 and 336 excavators. We'll get the rest of the house down, more than likely by the end of today. Start bringing in all the dump trucks on Monday and get this puppy hauled out of here. All right, guys, Marlon AAA Service Company. We just wrapped up Jerry Rigger's crane service. Jerry, first time swinging a 10,000 pound wrecking ball on a 4-story house. Tell me how it went for you.
Well, it was very exhilarating. Panels were coming down left and right. Couldn't get it done quicker.
ask you another question. Would you do it again?
Of course.
So there you go, guys. Stay tuned for the full video. You'll see us out here on the streets of St. Petersburg. If you ever need tree and crane work, call Jerry. If you ever need a house demoed, call AAA Service Company.